The Guizhou River falls down from a cliff 77.8 meters high and 101 meters wide. It's one of the most spectacular waterfalls in China. With the advent of the wet season between May and August, the Huangguoshu Waterfall becomes truly spectacular. In some years, the amount of water released here during this period exceeds half of the total for an entire year. In fact, it becomes so torrid that people need to use an umbrella or put on a raincoat just to view the waterfall on a sunny day. Hidden behind the waterfall is a long karst cave. It is in fact 134 meters long. It really is the place to experience a waterfall from the inside.